Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Ducky One 2 Pro 60% mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to deliver a top-tier typing and gaming experience in a compact form factor. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are strong. The keyboard boasts a sleek, blackout aesthetic. The seamless double-shot PBT keycaps feel incredibly durable and offer a satisfying texture. These keycaps are built to last, resisting shine and wear even after extended use. The Ducky One 2 Pro features Cherry MX2A red switches. These switches are known for their smooth, linear feel and relatively light actuation force, making them a popular choice for both gaming and typing. The keyboard also incorporates Ducky's Quack mechanics, which includes an EVA sound dampener and Q-bounce synthetic padding. These additions significantly reduce noise and improve the overall typing feel, providing a more refined and enjoyable experience. The 60% layout is a major selling point for those who value portability and desk space. This compact design eliminates the number pad and function keys, resulting in a smaller footprint that's easy to carry around. Despite its size, the Ducky One 2 Pro doesn't compromise on functionality. The function layer is easily accessible, allowing you to access media controls, volume adjustment, and other essential functions with ease. The keyboard's build quality is exceptional. The balanced weight distribution adds to its stability, preventing it from sliding around during intense gaming sessions or fast-paced typing. The 3-level adjustable feet allow you to customize the keyboard's angle to your preference, promoting comfortable ergonomics. The detachable braided USB-C cable is a welcome addition, making it easy to replace or upgrade the cable if needed. The Ducky One 2 Pro also features vibrant RGB lighting. The lighting is customizable through Ducky software, allowing you to create personalized lighting effects and profiles. The high-density PBT keycaps ensure that the lighting shines through clearly and evenly, enhancing the keyboard's visual appeal. With a 1000 Hz polling rate, the Ducky One 2 Pro ensures that every keystroke is registered quickly and accurately. This is particularly important for gamers who demand the fastest possible response times. Whether you're playing fast-paced action games or typing long documents, the Ducky One 2 Pro delivers a responsive and reliable performance. The Ducky One 2 Pro 60% mechanical keyboard is a well-rounded package that offers a premium typing and gaming experience. Its durable construction, comfortable typing feel, and customizable features make it a standout choice in the 60% keyboard market. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance keyboard that doesn't compromise on quality, the Ducky One 2 Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.